Live your life. Hey y'all, don't look at my face, I just woke up. On my way to finna go running. It's beautiful weather outside. Got my lemon water. And we're straight. Be back with y'all when I'm done running. And we'll start off with breakfast. Hey guys, I'm done with my workout, as you can see. Woo, your boy is sweating. So we're about to go ahead. I'm about to make breakfast, and I'm about to show y'all what I eat for breakfast after I go running. It's basically a kale smoothie. So for breakfast, I'm making a kale smoothie. The bananas are like this because I froze them without cutting them up. That was my fault. We got bananas, spinach, kale, ginger, almond milk, and an orange. So this, guys, is the finished product. Oh my god, it looks so good. Let's have a taste, guys. The ginger, for some reason, brings it out. I don't know. This is giving me a look of the Irish vibe, because you know my hair is ginger or whatever. But I guess this is, I call this look of the Irish. So here's my breakfast. Got the smoothie. And then I got some apples and some peanut butter for extra protein and extra fiber with some lemon water. Woo, it's hot outside. Oh! So what's up, guys? I'm back. We're about to make our lunch. I got onions, carrots, ginger, mushrooms, soy sauce, zucchini, sesame oil, tamari, blue agave for a little sweetness, some garlic, of course, some noodles. We're not using a packet though, we're gonna make it from scratch. And got my leftover teriyaki tofu. And we're using the miso broth, y'all. Alright y'all, this is how it looks before I turn on this daily timer for 15 minutes. Then when I'm done, we're gonna come back. And we're out. Wow, guys, we're back. The quinoa is done. Looks amazing. It smells amazing. And our broth ready to be strained. Oh my god, guys. Okay. I hear you. And oh my god, guys, this is the final product of my ramen with homemade broth, and I added some teriyaki tofu that I made a few days ago, some mushrooms, and some zucchini. We want to do a taste test for y'all. Oh my god! Okay, this one has got to be my best one. I made this a few times, actually. And I think this one has to be my best one for some reason. It's just the agave, the chili, it matches. I didn't think it was gonna do that good, but wow, it's amazing, guys. I love it. I would definitely put the recipe for this one. All right, y'all, I'm gonna finish my lunch, and then later, as you've seen the quinoa, I'm gonna use that for dinner. So, all right, y'all. Still using the quinoa I made earlier. We got the garlic and the olive oil in the pan. And these are my veggies. Zucchini again, spinach again, tomatoes. Well, I think tomatoes are new ones. Onions, bell pepper. So guys, the spinach is wilted. I should have cut it up before doing this, but oh well. Got the zucchini, sauce ready. I didn't want it to cook it. I just wanted to get it a little hot, you know. And I got some broccoli going. And this is the finished product. Wow, put a little too much pepper, but oh wow, this is amazing. Got to try it. I'm gonna do a taste test for y'all. Try it with the quinoa that I put the spinach with. It's not my best, but it's good. With the avocado is dope. Zucchini is perfect. And broccoli is easy. The bell peppers though, those are my best part. I love bell peppers. See you looking at my plate, I swear, like I would be eating dessert right now, but because I already had a smoothie earlier, and also like I said, this is my summer training video, I promise I'll make like a regular day once I finish my train. I usually don't eat dessert. If I were to eat dessert tonight, I would eat fruit. I would just cut up like some strawberries, some pineapples, apples, just put everything in one bowl and just eat it up. But I don't really want to eat fruit because I eat it so much in the daytime. So like, I don't really eat fruit like that. But thanks y'all so much for tuning in, y'all. I promise I'll make videos every single week to keep y'all updated. Don't forget to drop a comment down below. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you really doing? Go ahead and subscribe. But yeah.